Yo fam, what's going on? I'm Shakib here, and we're at the OnePlus 6 event in New York City. The line is big.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
Today we're at the OnePlus 6 event. I'm walking in the street right now, gotta be a little careful. We're here in New York City in the OnePlus 6 event. It's coming out in a few hours, and the line's getting really big. Check it out.
For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
You guys check this out. I want you to check this out.
Yeah.
This man right here, he's the OG. Look,
The
he has
OG.
the original OnePlus.
OnePlus 1, OnePlus X, and OnePlus 2.
Yeah, I like that.
OnePlus
Yeah,
2, look at that.
The very first one.
And look, you got the original Moto 360.
Yep.
And he's wearing online for the new OnePlus. Dedication. OnePlus, please look at this guy.
OnePlus for life,
Can I
never settle.
touch it?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, rosewood, bamboo, and sandstone.
Which now actually looks like a piece of sandstone.
Right?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Let me ask you, which one was your favorite though?
My favorite one, OnePlus X.
OnePlus
Small
X?
screen, glass back, bamboo case, stylish.
You heard it from the man.
It's me and you. Full speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it's
These guys playing pub. No, you're not playing pub.
I'm just looking at pictures, bro.
So wait, you guys in line? You have no idea why you're in line?
Yeah, I have no idea. I saw the line. I was like, oh, this seems fun. People were like, oh, let's get a OnePlus. I was like, all right, let's get a OnePlus.
Alright, let me ask you this. What's your primary phone right now?
I have Apple. This guy works for Apple.
Wrong
but he has
line, buddy. Wrong line.
he has like Android, or he has a OnePlus.
Actually, I have a OnePlus 3.
Oh, you have
Yeah,
OnePlus 3?
yeah.
Okay,
But we're very
okay.
dissatisfied. His phone is
Oh,
full.
okay. All right, let's relax a little bit.
Did you guys see how long that line was? It was crazy. It's about like, it's almost a whole avenue.
It's a whole Earth in diameter. It's crazy.
What are you most excited about the phone?
Everything.
Everything?
The specs. It's
Alright.
a good phone. I watched Linus Tech tips and how they built the phone in
Okay.
China, which is really interesting because they made only about 1,000 of them,
Okay.
and then they're just going to dispose of them and then make the actual phones.
So the line's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and it curves around the block. I'm gonna try to get my hands on the new. Oh damn! Look, I'm gonna try to get my hands on the new phone, play around with it. So let's try it out.
our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be
All right, guys, we're inside right now. I just met MKBHD. This line's over here with the OnePlus around the corner. So let's take a tour around the room.
Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Are you upset that?
Yes, very upset. I can't describe how upset I am in words, so I'm going to use this face.
You probably had a long flight too. So,
Yeah.
the OnePlus 6.
Yes.
Are you upset that there's no wireless charging?
Okay.
Even though it's a glass body.
Is it bad? Oh, shit.
I am upset out of principle that it doesn't have wireless charging.
Okay.
But I don't own a wireless charging pad.
So you're good.
So the thing is that if I had a phone that I used as my daily driver, I would probably invest in a handful of wireless charging pads so that I just have places to put it down and have it charged.
Okay.
But because I'm constantly reviewing multiple devices,
Right.
I just usually end up plugging in a cable.
One more question.
Yeah.
Any tips? Because I don't think anybody could rock socks and sandals like you.
I don't think they could. If you look this up on Wikipedia, apparently I'm a notable person who wears socks and sandals. Someone just brought that to my attention. I was thrilled.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And I gotta try out those bullet headphones. I've heard a lot about them, so can't wait to get my hands on them.
They sound pretty good. I have my thoughts about sort of around the neck
Yeah, same here.
wireless headphones. I don't know. I haven't decided whether to review them yet or not. If I like them, I'm going to, because nothing personal, Eric. If I end up being overwhelmingly positive about them, then I'm going to, because whenever you review a product like this, the video performs really poorly and your channel momentum takes a dive. So the only reason that would be worthwhile to me would be if I absolutely love them and I think people have to go buy them. So I'm on the fence right now. I haven't decided whether to review them, but I'm trying.
Well, you guys heard it. Thank you very much, Linus. I appreciate it so much. What do you dislike most about the phone? Besides this wireless charging.
I would say I dislike the
I don't want to put you on the spot.
Yeah, no, this is fine. My review comes out soon anyway.
Yeah.
The camera is great for the price, but I already have a Pixel, and it kills me that I can't switch to this phone because I need that Pixel camera.
Which
It's
is
that
smart.
good. So that's the one thing that pains me about the phone.
Right. Okay. Second question. Are you a D's fan? Because I see you rocking the NMDs all the time.
Yeah. No, I recently. Keep those. Yo, get his thing. Yeah, no, I didn't get really into sneaker fashion until, John from TLD.
TLD, yeah.
That whole crew, if you hang out with them for 3 hours, you'll immediately start being a sneakerhead. So I'm blaming them directly for that.
I saw him, he has the human racers.
Yeah, ridiculous shoes, like every single video. So I see that, I hang out with them, they're killing it, I had to set my game up, so that's where I'm at.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is MKBHD. Please subscribe to his channel, MKBHD. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon, man. Bye. Alright guys, so that wraps up the event of the OnePlus 6. I'm gonna have a review up of the phone. I have the phone on me. We're just gonna go grab a bite of food because we're fasting. So, alright, that's about it. Fun fact? Fun fact number 23. Linus and Marques, man, awesome dudes, very humble, extremely humble. Marques is really tall, man, like really tall. Thanks for watching. I'm Zashak. Stay tech strong. Deuces, peeps. It's really tired, man. Really tired today.